feel free to roast my welds if you watch the whole video. And we're back. I picked up the John Deere Snowblower for $100, having trouble moving when you squeeze the handle here. I can already tell that cable is kind of loose. Quick lesson for those of you that don't use snowblowers. The belt runs off of this pulley run by the engine, which spins this plate. So when you pull down on the lever here, that's going to pull this plate up to contact that disc, and that disc is going to run off of here and spin the wheels. Before I replace it, I'm going to try adjusting the cable. So I'm going to move this one down to this hole, probably this hole, to tighten up the slack and see if that helps. You don't want to adjust it too tight, because if it keeps tension on that, then that wheel's going to stay touching the entire time, which means it'll start moving even though that handle is not engaged. So I'm going to start here. Let's see if that worked. So they used this in their gravel driveway. It ended up scraping through the entire bottom of that. I'll raise it up so you can get a better look. It ended up tearing all that metal. I gotta fix that. Okay, so basically what I'm doing is cutting this whole bad part out, and I'm going to shape this here and weld it in. No idea how that's gonna work. Never done it before. Let's see together. All right, it is all cut out. Now mocking that up, it'll be something like that. Going all the way around to reinforce it. Am I overconfident in my welding skills? Yes. All right, so I got it all welded up and painted. I didn't film that part, my bad. But this is the finished product. Not that pretty, but it'll hold, and there's no ripping anymore, so that's all that matters. So that's the only part you can see from up top, so I'm not worried about how the bottom looks anyways. It is all finished. I'm gonna get the belt guard back on and clean it up. I think I'm gonna list this for $800. Let me know how much you think it'll sell for in the comments. That's looking mint.